holidays, my friends, and welcome back. And once again, thank you very much for watching. So today I'm back with another party makeup look, which is a bit more dramatic, but at the same time has some natural tones, so I hope you will enjoy this one. This video again is in collaboration with Anjou, which is probably one of my favorite affordable beauty brands because they have these amazing brushes. So I'll be using only their brushes in today's video, from the 24 brush set collection, from the 16-piece brush set collection, and from the 8-piece brush collection. So I'm starting off with this really fluffy eyeshadow brush and with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I will basically use this as my eyeshadow base. And then I'm using this crease brush with my ColourPop cream shadow. I will list in the description box all the names because I usually don't remember how they're called. This brush is really nice for the crease because it's a bit more like tapered, so it goes right, in that area really nicely, blending everything. And again, going back to that fluffy eyeshadow brush with Tarte Shape Tape to just, soften a little bit edges of that crease color. Now I'm taking this Pony Effect Unlimited cream shadow and this gorgeous brownie kind of color, really neutral brownie color, again with the same crease brush. And I'm trying to darken a little bit the crease area, and then again to correct any kind of harsh lines in the crease with the same fluffy eyeshadow brush that I use for my base. Now I'm taking a rounder, again fluffy eyeshadow brush and my Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette, and I'm taking this ivory color, and again I will try to apply this on top of my Tarte Shape Tape, and then taking this fluffy crease brush. This one is not tapered, it's more just like a regular crease brush with this dark chocolatey brown color, and here I'm just applying it in the crease, and I'm trying to really amplify, to darken that crease color. So I'm applying a lot of that. Then taking just a simple flat shader brush and a little bit of my Peripear ink corrector, I'm trying to create that cut crease look. And this brush really works just perfectly for that because, it's very flat, so it's quite precise. And then on top I will apply a little bit of this ColourPop cream shadow, which is so beautiful. This is from their new collection, the After Hours collection, I believe, or maybe it's another collection. I will list all the names in the description box. And on top of that I will apply the Etude House glitter from one of their collections. Again, all the names in the description box. And now for the liner I will use my MakeupFor Ever Aqua XL cream paint in this really gorgeous, like royally bright blue color with my Anjou eyeliner brush, which is very fun, very precise. So I'm trying to create first of all just that cut eye liner, and then I will try to connect a little bit this line with my cut crease. Now I'm applying my MakeupFor Ever Smoky Lash mascara, which is very black, and I'm trying to just create some volume on my lashes. I will still use some false lashes after, but I need that black base, and I'm using the Iconic from House of Lashes. These, they look really nice, but they're so stiff, so it's really hard to work with them actually. And now I will use my Dr. Jart's BB cream and my Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm mixing these two with my flat top kabuki brush from Anjou. And here I was listening to something, so yeah, I don't know what was that. And I'm trying to buff the foundation. This brush really works great for that, and it has like a medium size, so it's great, to work really fast with it, to apply the foundation really fast. Now I'm using this pointed foundation brush and my Peripear ink corrector, and I will apply this underneath my eyes to just brighten a little bit those under eye circles and that darkness that I have in there, the discoloration. This peachy tone really just refreshes my eye area. And then on top I will use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Again with the same brush, I will try to blend it really well. Now the perfect contour brush, this Anjou really flat and really small in a way brush. This is just perfect for contouring. I will use my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Amber, which I also love. So this is like the perfect combo, I would say. And I'm trying to, you know, create that contouring there and to blend a little bit the line. Now I will be using this Zoeva gel highlighter. Has a really interesting texture, but also it's quite beamy, so I like that. And now I will just apply a little bit of Innisfree No Sebum blur powder with this tulip shaped Anjou brush, and basically on my T-zone and a little bit underneath my eyes. And I will add a little bit of bronzer there. I'm using the Girlacktik Cabo bronzer and my Smolder Cosmetics highlighter, which you know I discovered recently, but it's really pretty. It's really, again, beaming in your face kind of highlighter. Has a really nice texture too. And now with this tiny eyeshadow brush, I will just add a little bit more of this cool tone taupey shade from the ColourPop line just underneath my eyes to have there some definition. And on top, of course, my Unlimited Cream Shadow from Pony Effect, which again has a great texture, and I like how these two mix together because they both creamy but they dry in like a matte finish. And to darken the look, of course, I will use my dark brown from the Dose of Colors Baked Brown palette. Now to add some sparkle on my inner corners, I will use this gorgeous iridescent with blue flecks cream shadow from ColourPop again with a really tiny pointed eyeshadow brush. In a waterline, I will just use my Eyeko Sport waterproof eyeliner in black. This is one of my favorite black eyeliners ever. It's really good, it's really black, and it's waterproof. And now a little bit of mascara. And on my lips, I will use just Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. And that's it, you guys, for today's look. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Let me know if you like it, and let me know if you recreate it on my Instagram using my hashtag #EasyNeon. So I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye.